A very good evening, sir. So I am Swasti Pragya Ratha of class 11 from Odisha Adarsh Vidyalaya, Tarando, Kendrapada, and today I have come up with a combo project of breath shield, in which my project has two components, that is this carbon adsorber system along with this homemade oxygen mask. The carbon adsorber system is for industrial purposes, and this homemade oxygen mask is for household and emergency situations where there is shortness of oxygen. So first we will know about this carbon adsorber system. So what is carbon adsorber system? So it is a system to purify all the industrial emissions, and further it will release the fresh and clean air. So what is this mechanism and why we are using this? Since if the factory will directly release all the toxic gases to the environment, then it will cause lot of health hazards such as chronic lung diseases or respiratory tract problems or aggravated asthma attacks. So in order to prevent all those situations, we will use this carbon adsorber system. So in the factory we will attach a fan inside this, and we will attach a pipe too. Then the smoke, whatever the smoke is getting released, we will just turn on the fan. We will just turn on the fan, and the smoke will directly go into the carbon adsorber tank, in which I have taken the coconut shell as activated form of carbon. You can also take coal, wood and bamboo, and for large scale commercial purposes one can also take carbon rods. So why we are using carbon in this process? Because carbon has large surface area and it also has porous structure, so it will trap all the impurities and the particulate matter and the volatile organic compounds which cause deadliest health hazard. So after that it will release the clean and fresh air. It will trap all the impurities, and hence it will give us clean and fresh air. So why this system is to be used? Because it is highly efficient. It is also cost effective, since it is using agricultural byproducts such as coconut shell, wood, coal, bamboo, and it is also low maintenance, since it has a simple design with infrequent component replacements. Then after that we will know about this homemade oxygen mask. So in the rural and remote areas where the oxygen cylinder are quite difficult to supply, so in those areas people can easily use this when in emergency situation where there is a shortness of breath in any patient. So by the process of electrolysis we will generate oxygen. So what is electrolysis? So electrolysis is a process by which we will supply electricity to any compound, and the complex compound will turn into simpler one. So what is this mechanism? In the negative terminal I have attached this iron nail, and in the positive terminal, which is inserted in the bottle, where I have made several holes so that the same water molecule can get inside the bottle as well. So in this I have inserted the copper piece so that the oxygen molecule will get accumulated when the process of electrolysis will start. And in the bucket I have put this iron nail, where the hydrogen molecule will get accumulated. Here we will also add caustic soda in order to fasten up the process. It will act as a catalyst. So after adding the caustic soda, we will just stir it well, and after that when we will turn on the switch, the process of electrolysis will start. And whoever the patient is, we will just make them sit calmly, and we will take the pipe which is attached to the upper part of the bottle, where the oxygen molecule will get released. Then we will use the N95 mask. Then we will just put the mask of the patient, and we will just intake the oxygen by the pipe. So in this immediate emergency situation, the patient can get sufficient amount of oxygen in less amount of time. And this is also cost effective, since we were all using the simple components which are easily available in all the household: a simple bucket, a bottle which is easily available, iron nail and a copper piece which are easily available in all the remote areas. So this was about my whole project, breath shield. Thank you.